Now we will look at the word dare. The uses of the word dare. Okay? Like, you cannot dare to defy. He cannot defy you. You dare not go there. You dare not open your mouth. You'll be in trouble. So, the use of dare in the sentence, different kinds of sentences we are using it. Now, here you have three categories. One, it is used in the present tense. Second, dare is used in the past tense. And the third category, dare is used in the interrogative sentence. So in the three categories, we will look uses of dare in the sentences. Uses of dare. The verb dare is used in the following ways. Let's look at it. The verb the verb dare the verb dare is used in the following ways. In the following ways. One, in the present tense. One, in the present tense. The first sentence is the present tense. He cannot dare to defy you. The first sentence we have is, he cannot. He cannot. He cannot dare to defy you. Dare. He cannot dare to defy you. He cannot dare to defy you. That's the first usage of dare in the sentence. He cannot dare to defy you. Now, the second one, will she dare to jump out of the window? Will she dare? Will she dare? Will she dare to jump? Will she dare to jump out of the window? Out of the window? And in the third sentence, we have, she doesn't dare to say anything against her friend. She doesn't. She doesn't dare. That means she's scared. She doesn't dare. Doesn't dare to say anything. To say anything against her friend. That is the first. In the second category, past tense. How there is used in the past tense. In the past tense. Let us see how dare is used in the past tense. The first sentence I have here is, they dare not say such things again. They dare not. The first sentence is, they dared not. Past tense. They dared not say, they dared not say such things again. Such things. Such things again. Another sentence, they dare not go very fast as they were afraid of an accident. Past tense, they dare not. They dare not. They dared not go very fast. They dare not go very fast as they were afraid. As they were afraid. As they were afraid of an accident. Next one, third. In the third sentence they have, did he dare to criticize his boss? Did he dare? Did he dare? Did he dare to criticize? Dare to criticize. His boss. And the third category, we have the use of dare in the interrogative sentence. Interrogative. In the interrogative sentence. Okay. The first sentence we have here under the interrogative. How dare you hit my brother? How dare? How dare? How dare you hit? How dare you hit my brother? And the second, How dare you speak so loudly in the class? How dare? How? How dare? How dare you speak? You speak so loudly, so loudly in class. And finally, the last sentence, the use of dare in the sentence. How dare you open my letters? How dare you open my letters? How dare? How dare you open my letters? So now we are looking at the uses of dare in these sentences. First, in the present tense. Okay? Now the verb dare is used in the present tense, like, he cannot dare to defy you. Second, will she dare to jump out of the window? Will she dare to jump out of the window? And the third, she doesn't dare to say anything against her friend. And the second, dare, the verb dare is used in the past tense. They dared not go very fast as they were afraid of an accident. Second, they dare not say such things again. Finally, did he dare to criticize his boss? Now, in the third category, interrogative sentence. How dare you hit my brother? How dare you speak so loudly in class? How dare you open my letter? So, three different ways of using the verb dare. In the present tense, past, and in the interrogative sentence.